And today I'm gonna share with you that if nobody is with you, then how can you speak English? If there is no one and still you want to talk, there is the way to talk. How there is the way to talk? I will give you some tips and tricks by which you, by using those tricks, you can talk yourself alone at your home. When you are alone at home and nobody is there to talk with you, so go where? Go in front of the mirror. Go in front of the mirror. That mirror will help you. Whatever will speak, whatever will be spoken by you will be the just like the same. A person will be with you. It is really said, if you want to change your life, if you want to change your life, nobody is there will change your life. You people, you yourself is the person who can change your life. Means if you really want to change, if you really want to find out the person who will change your life, just go and stand before mirror, stand in front of the mirror, and you can see the image of that person who will change your life, definitely will change your life. If you have doubt, you just go and speak before mirror. It will help you a lot. If there is no person to talk with you, the first point is here, means it is the mirror. By standing in front of mirror, you can talk yourself. If nobody is here to listen your matter, or nobody is here to talk with you. Number second point, if there is nobody to talk with you, then you can also use one of my trick. When I used to learn English, I also used to use these type of tips and tricks to talk to make my speaking fluent. Number two is there that you can talk with your customer care. You can talk with customer care. Customer care is one of the person who is already free to talk with you. If you really want to talk and nobody is there, means if you really want to talk and nobody is there, how can you talk? You can talk with customer care. Just call anyone and talk about something, whatever you wish to listen or want to know about. First you call to your whatever the SIM you are using, Airtel, Vodafone or Jio, talk to customer care. And also you can talk with your Dish TV customer care. Many more customer cares are there where you can talk. Next, if nobody is here to talk with you, how can you talk? Just suppose if nobody is here to talk with you, and also you have no mirror, it is quite surprising, no? Without mirror, I said you the first one was the mirror, second was the customer care, and the third is what, you want to know. If you really want to know, just like this video. If you find very helpful this video, you can also subscribe my channel. So if nobody is there and still you want to talk, still you want to make your conversation, just think in your mind. Means thinking process. Just carry on with your thinking process. It will help you. Before starting, before beginning, before speaking anything, just you try to think in your mind whatever you are going to speak. मैंने भी यही किया था. The same was done by me when I used to learn English. On that time I used to think a lot how to improve my English, and on the time of thinking I just made every sentences, whatever I was doing, the same was translating in English in my mind, not in reality. Actually that was virtually अंदर ही अंदर मैं क्या कर रहा था, मैं इसको प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था. तो जिसकी वजह से आज मेरी इंग्लिश, यू कैन नाउ लुक मी स्पीकिंग फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश due to thinking a lot in my mind. It is the process by which you can reform your English well. In not You don't have to pay a lot of attention behind this to get your English fluent. You have to only give 1 month. It is the time. Somebody asked me, what is the time to learn English? What is the time? What should be the exact time to learn English? I just only advise that there is no time. There is no time, no formula, no durations to speak English. If you really want to speak English, you have to give the time behind that. After spending some time behind that, you will automatically learn what is the duration to learn English. देखो क्या होता है कि जब भी हम किसी चीज़ के पीछे बहुत ही ज़्यादा बिजी हो जाते हैं तो वो चीज़ हमारे लिए ईजी हो जाता है. जब हम किसी चीज़ के पीछे बिजी हो जाते हैं वो चीज़ हमारे लिए ईजी हो जाता है. तो कहा जाता है इफ़ यू आर बिजी एवरीथिंग इज ईजी. इफ़ यू आर बिजी एवरीथिंग इज ईजी. इफ़ यू आर लेजी एवरीथिंग इज बिजी. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, there is no duration, no timing to learn English or learn anything. Not I am talking only about English. If you want to learn anything, there is no way, there is no duration. Means बस आप देखते हो कि जिस चीज़ के पीछे आप जितना ज़्यादा समय देते हो आप उसको उतनी ही जल्दी सीखते हो, और कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है जो हम सीख नहीं पाए. So my dear friends, my suggestion is for you all that if you really want to speak, just think in your mind whatever you are going to speak. Before speaking, just think and try to मन ही मन बोलने की कोशिश करो. फिर धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, हैबिचुअल हो जाओगे. एंड इट विल हेल्प यू अ लॉट. बिलीव मी, ट्रस्ट मी, इट विल हेल्प यू लॉट. जैसा कि मुझे मदद हुआ है, जैसा कि आप सुन पा रहे हो. अगर आपको लगती है कि मैं इंग्लिश ठीक से बोल पा रहा हूँ और आपको बता पा रहा हूँ, तो आप भी इस फॉर्मूले को यूज़ करो. रियली वर्क्स इट. I am strongly feel to say that after using this formula, you will really be able to speak English. So guys, I hope that I have given you some points, tips and tricks which will help you while speaking English, and it will be helpful for you all. So see you in the next video. एंड इस तरह के और सारे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स जानने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.